Hopie identifies healthy and unhealthy foods. "I'm hungry," said Hopie, rubbing her tummy. "What's for snack time, Mommy?" Mommy opened the fridge. "Let's see, Hopie. We have yummy apples and crunchy carrots. These are healthy foods that help you grow big and strong." Hopie munched on a bright red apple. "Yum, it's so sweet and juicy," she said with a big smile. Later, at the grocery store, Hopie saw a big bag of colorful candies. "Ooh, can I have some, Mommy?" she asked. "Those are treats, Hopie," said Mommy. "They are yummy, but they are not healthy foods. Too many treats can make your tummy feel yucky." For dinner, Daddy made chicken and broccoli. "Look, Hopie," he said, "more healthy foods to make you super strong." Hopie took a bite of broccoli. "It's like a little tree," she giggled, "and it's yummy." The next day, Hopie's friend came over with a big bag of potato chips. "Want some?" he asked. Hopie remembered what her mommy said. "Maybe just a few," she said, "and then let's have some yummy strawberries." Hopie knew all about foods now. "Healthy foods make me feel great," she said, doing a little dance, "and treats are okay sometimes."
Hopie identifies healthy and unhealthy foods.
Subscribe, Hopie and friends.